Morning, friends. I just thought I'd give you a quick little checkabout of my native area of my farm. So here we go. We have cypress, lots of solidago, better known as goldenrod, which we cut it for cuts before it even blooms. Another tree, we have service berries, lots of southern wax myrtle. This is Rudbeckia maxima, which we don't really cut, and it's not a reseeding. This is a perennial Rudbeckia, which is really a cool one, and the finches really love it. This is all solidago. And we have lots of Joe Pye weed hiding in here that's just coming along. Here is some Triloba Rudbeckia, and it's just the same native plants planted over and over again. This is a wildlife utopia back here.